All right, now we're going to learn how to make a Google drawing. If I want to draw a cake today, I can easily use different shapes to help me. First, I'm going to click the Shape button. I know that I might want to use a circle to draw the top. Now I'm going to click and drag to make my circle. Next, I can choose what color I want that circle to be. If you click the Fill button, you can choose your color. If you don't want any of these colors, you can click Custom, and you can find a color that makes you happy. Next, I want to use lines to draw the bottom of my cake. I just want a straight line, so I'm going to click this line button. Draw one straight line here. I'll click and drag to draw another straight line. And now I'll click and drag to do another one. Now I have the bottom of my cake. If I want to add a candle on top, I might use a square or a rectangle to draw that candle. I'm going to click and drag, draw one. And I need 5 candles, so I'm going to do 5 more. But maybe I want to reuse this shape again. I can click it. Then I can right click with my mouse, hit copy. Then I can left click or right click again with my mouse, hit paste, and I can click and drag it to reuse the same shape. That way I can use it 5 times and not have to redraw it every single time. If you want to delete something, you can click the item you want to delete, and on your keyboard, hit the delete button, and it goes away. If you realized you deleted something when you didn't want to, you can go up to the top of your screen and hit the undo button, and it will come back up. If you wanted to delete it again, you could hit redo. There's so much you can do with Google Drawings, but these are just some of the basics. Have fun and be creative with your drawings.